you all to see on the board. What can you all see? Something similar to your math notebooks? The square lines. Yes, you are absolutely right. But this is called a grid. What is it called? It is called a grid. Standing line, sleeping line, and it has these squares inside, the columns and rows inside, and it is called a grid. Today we are going to learn about coordinate system. Okay, so let us begin. Now, a coordinate system has two axes. One is the x-axis and the other one is the y-axis. Now, my dear students, please remember this. The x-axis is the horizontal line, and y-axis is the vertical line. Okay, this line. This is the y-axis. The vertical line is called the y-axis, only this one, okay, the corner one. And this is called the x-axis. These are the two axes that we have in the coordinate system. Now today we are going to learn how to identify the position of the given objects with the help of the y-axis and the x-axis. Okay? The point where the x-axis and the y-axis meets is here. Okay, it is here, and this is a 0. It is called a 0. The point where y-axis and x-axis meet is called a 0. Now let us number these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here. Okay, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one we keep it as 6. Now here also the rows we will be naming them. Here we put numbers. Let us put alphabets here. So this is A, row B, row C, row D and row E. So these are the rows. Standing ones are called rows and the sleeping ones, horizontal ones are called columns. Okay, let us now see how do we identify the position of the given object. Yes, so now we are going to find the position of the objects drawn on the board. Can you all tell me what all is drawn? Yes, right, these are fruits. Can you name them for me? This is an apple. Correct. What is this? Strawberry. This is a mango. Banana and grapes. We have to find the position of these fruits now. When we are finding the position, my dear friends, we have to first see the x-axis and then the y-axis. The first fruit is an apple. We need to find the position of apple. you will see on the x-axis? It is B. So we will write B over here. Now the next one. We come to the y-axis. Where is strawberry on the y-axis? It is on 1. So we will write B1. Now we know the position of the strawberry also. Now grade 2, I want you all to find the position of the grapes. Okay. Let us find the position of grapes. What will you all do? You will first look at the x-axis. Grapes is here on the x-axis, means it is on E. And now here we need to find out where are the grapes. It's on the y-axis, it's on 2. So the position of grapes is E2. This is how we find the positions of the given objects. Let's take a mango now. We will find the position of the mango. Can you all tell me? Mango, what is the position of the mango? Okay, for the x-axis it is on C and y-axis it is on 5. So C5 is the position for mango. So this is how we find the positions of the given objects. Now let us move ahead and see another sum. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. Yes, so I have now come up with the second sum. Here I have drawn different objects. Okay, we need to find the position of these objects. Before that, let us again first revise the x-axis and the y-axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, okay, and we write x. The vertical line is called the y-axis and we write a y over here. And then we have named these rows and columns. The rows are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the columns are A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now we will find the position of these objects. So the first object is a pen. We have to find the position of the pen. Can you locate the pen here? Where it is? Yes, it is here. We need to find the position of this pen. What we will do, we will first see the x-axis. The pen, we come down, it is 4. So we are going to write 4 over here. Later, we see the y-axis. And what is here? It is a B. So the position of the pen is 4B. Okay. Now the next one. We have to find the position of the ball. Can you all find it? What is the first thing that we do? We see the x-axis. So it is number 3. And for the y-axis, it is C. So the position of the ball is 3C. Okay. Now the third one. We have to find the position of the cap. Where is the cap? The cap is here. Now the first thing, we see the x-axis. So it is 5. And on the y-axis, we have E. So the position of the cap is 5E. Now the last object is a star. The position of the star will be, we come to the x-axis, it is on 1 and on y-axis it is F. So the position of the star is 1, F. So this is how, students, we find the positions of the particular object which we are supposed to find. Again, last time, let us quickly revise. The vertical line is the y-axis, the horizontal line is the x-axis, and the point where these two lines meet we put a 0 there. We mark it as a 0. Now for homework, you have to do a very simple exercise, and that I will be sending it to you through an assignment. Please do it very neatly, and now inshallah I'll meet you in our next Zoom class. Till then, please take care.